Most believed myth is eating late at night causes weight gain. Let's understand more about myths and its facts. Hi, I'm Shruti Medappa. I'm a clinical dietitian and a meditation coach. The key is what and how much you eat at night. Just imagine, not everyone is privileged to have their early dinners. There are different populations working on different shifts, and late night dinners are the only option for them left out. No, let's understand more about this. Myth number 1, body stores everything, whatever you consume in the late night, and converts to fat. But the reality is weight gain can happen whenever you consume more calories than what you burn, regardless of any time in a day or night. Myth number 2, metabolism slows down at night. Always remember and keep this in your mind. Metabolism keeps working 24/7, while it may slow down slightly during sleeping hours. Your body still burns calories for the maintenance and routine repair. Myth number 3, you should not eat after 7 p.m. There is no magic time when food suddenly becomes fattening. It is overall the calorie balance and the food choices, the quality of the food and the quantity of the food is what really matters. Myth number 4, eating late leads to poor digestion. Fact, depends on what and how much you eat. Whether it is large quantities, junk food, greasy food or spicy meals, these can obviously lead to acid reflux, and a lighter meal, healthier snacks usually does not cause any kind of issues with the acidity or even bloating issues or even poor digestion. Myth number 5, eating late leads to a poor sleep. Yes, this is partially true. Heavy meals too close to the bedtime can disrupt sleep, but at the same time, foods which are rich in magnesium and melatonin improves the sleep quality, like nuts, seeds, green leafy vegetables, fruits like banana, avocados, figs, dry fruits like raisins, and 70% of cocoa dark chocolate, along with warm milk and a turmeric and a chamomile tea. Thank you.